is yours, this love is mine. The night is heavy, the air so still, a sacred moment bending will. Through the haze I see your heart. I found my love in the dark. Oh, love in the dark, love in the dark, where the stars ignite the spark. No need for the sun to shine. This love is yours, this love is mine. We walk where shadows softly grow, a place where only lovers know. The echo fades, the world is stark, but still there's love in the dark. Oh, love in the dark, love in the dark, where the stars ignite the spark. No need for the sun to shine. This love is yours, this love is mine. Lost in the sway of the ocean tide, your love's the wave I cannot hide. Roots so deep they reach the core, can't let go, don't want no more. Stuck with you like the sky with blue. not just music, it's a prayer. A call to rise, a call to sing. Feel the spirit, it changes everything. This is our song, our song, our song, the one we've carried all along. The rivers sing, every drop of rain, a sacred thing. I close my eyes, I feel the sound. This is my home, my sacred ground. strong, now beyond repair. We can't be friends, no, no, not again. Too many pieces scattered in the wind. We can't be friends, no, no, not again. The love we had won't ever mend. Your shadow lingers where sunlight falls. Echoes of laughter bounce off the walls. I plant new seeds, but they won't grow tall. A past like ours still holds its claws. Oh, the rhythm's broken, the melody's gone. I can't find the harmony to keep holding on. We can't be friends, no, no, not again. Too many pieces scattered in the wind. We can't be friends, no, no, not again. The love we had won't ever mend. Roots run deep, but the tree won't stand. The soil is dry like this barren land. We can't rewrite what the storm has planned. A wave will crash where it began. upside down, where truth becomes disguise. But in the chaos rising, a heartbeat calls me near. A light breaks through the madness, a voice I need to hear. Can I fight the fire burning in my soul, or let the flames consume, make the broken whole? Psycho mode can break free. The rhythm's taking over, it's swallowing me. Psycho mode, I dance alone. Spirits call my name through the undertone. Echoes ride the wind, whispers turn to shouts. Drums beat in my chest, no room for any doubt. The roots dig deeper, my spirit starts to rise. Through the psycho madness, I finally realize I walk through clouds made of silver and gray, chasing a sun that keeps slipping away. The ground beneath me is soaked in pain, but still I dream. I set fire to the rain. Set fire, set fire to the rain. Let it burn, let it cleanse every chain. Life spins around, but I'm still sound. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Hold on through the darkest night. It'll be alright. It'll be waves may crash, but the tide will ease. Roots run deep beneath the tallest trees. Hope is rising like the morning breeze. Every breath I take, I feel the air. Life may falter, but I'm still there. It'll be alright. The skies they cry, time moves slow, but the soul don't lie. A seed once planted, it longs to grow. Don't play with love, it's all we know. a beating drum. I feel it echo. The time has come. Boyfriend material, stitched so fine, woven with love, one of a kind. Boyfriend material, strong and true. Every thread pulls me closer to you. He's got no diamonds, no big display, but his words light up the darkest day. A smile that blooms like a morning sun. I know my search is finally done. His heart's a melody, sweet and pure. I'm caught inside it. There's no cure. Boyfriend material, stitched so fine, woven with love, one of a kind. Boyfriend material, strong and true. Every thread pulls me closer to you. Clouds roll heavy like a preacher's hymn. Sky cracks open, let the light rush in. Every drop a blessing on my skin. Rain on me, let the rivers flow. Wash my soul, let the truth be known. Rain on me till the seeds all grow. The ground is thirsty, the earth feels dry. Roots are waiting, they reach, they try. Rain speaks love falling from the sky. Every drop a song to the trees. Every drop Whispered truth slipped through my hand. You said forever, but forever ran. I see your shadow, it's a ghostly man. Ciao, adios, goodbye, my friend. Your love's a wave that will never bend. Ciao, adios, this is the end. But I rise like the sun I ascend. Stars above hold no regrets. Moonlight soaks my silhouette. Promises fade like a cigarette, but my heart's not broken yet. I walk alone, my soul on fire. shadows stretch, but they can't hold me. The sun will